Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I have been asked, how do you disable your Windows 10 updates? Well, actually, this is pretty simple to do. All we need to do is go down to the bottom left-hand corner of our screen and type in Services. We now need to open up Services. And once we have, we now need to scroll down until we find Windows Update. And as you can see, here's Windows Update. We now need to right click on Windows Update and go to Properties. We now need to change the startup type to Disabled. And we now need to hit Apply. And that will permanently disable Windows 10 updates. If you'd like to re-enable the Windows 10 updates, then all you need to do is change the startup type back to Manual and hit Apply again. And it really is as easy as that. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.